What game are you playing?
No game. We just want to meet Drago.
Why?
Because I'm going to change his mind about dragons.
He can be really persuasive.